Hello. In this video, I'm going to unbox and give you my first impressions about this Tribit Stormbox Lava disclosure. It was sent to me by Tribit or Tribit, I don't know, to make an honest and unbiased review. So let's see what we have here. So it has this nice box, exclusive, 80 watts output, TI amplifier, rugged, IP67 rating, unstoppable 24 hours of playtime. It has also, yes, you can connect up to 6 different, okay, it has party mode, Bluetooth 5.4, this should be fast. Oops, you're not seeing. So as you can see, these are the main things about it, and it has, I would love to test this connection, party connection, because it should be nice. So let's open the box. Up. Where's this? I hope. So what do we have here? Accessories. Awesome. Let's open this. Oh, I see. This is one of the things I've seen. This, I don't know, it has these two carabiners here, so it has kind of a handle. The USB-C to USB-A charger, and it has another wrap. Okay, this one, it's a big one. And now let's take it out. Okay, maybe I'm a little bit rusty about this. Slowly, go. Go lava boy. Okay, there you go. Nothing left in the box. Alley up. Oh, ho. Look, this rugged base, pretty solid. So here you have, let me show you. So you have an auxiliary input. It doesn't come with an auxiliary cable, so you should get one. I believe you should have one. At least I have lots of them. USB-A, and here you have the USB-C charger. Oh my god, it's pretty well built. Look, really nice. Okay, you can use these two options. So you can use this one, which is pretty cute. Oop, this way. Look, my friend, how nice this is, and it seems pretty solid. You can use this one. You can use this one in the shoulder like a fancy bag. Let me show you. Look, awesome. And I believe, let me turn it on. There you go, all on. Let me pair this with the Tribit app. Let me show you. There you go. This is how the app looks. Probably not here. So you have here this plus button to add a new app. It's searching, and you can see that it's already there, ready to pair. Connect to, pair it. Okay, let me go to the Bluetooth. And I think it should be here someday. Here you have, by the way, meanwhile, here you can play around with the backs. Here you have the play and pause, volume up, volume down, and here you have also 2 taps, you go to the next track, 3 taps, you go to the previous track or beginning of track. So you can see it's already there. Here, let me pair it. Okay, already paired, so I'm gonna give a little listen to see how this is. So after a listening, it has a really powerful sound when you have the XBass working on it. It has a really powerful bass, so for those musics that require more bassy sound, it has. But also when you want to listen to a more acoustic music, it has also a pretty nice and detailed sound, and powerful too. So I can't stress enough what do I like about it. It's, first of all, it has an amazing design, versatility. Also, the fact that you can use it in party mode, which means that you can connect lots and lots of speakers like this and have a pretty amazing immersive listening experience is awesome. The fact that you can pair it with the Tribit app and take advantage of all the features that the app allows you to take, really nice and rich sound. So I can't stress enough how I'm liking this Lava Stormbox by Tribit. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye bye.